sa consciousness ninyo na kami may kinalaman sa mga blank pages na sinasabi ninyo, no? That is why we resented so much yung impression that the President was given a blank check. Wala kaming kinalaman doon sa internal sa Congress yun. And that is why we also respect the boundaries by not commenting kung sino yung to be blamed or not, no? But I'm sure that we did not benefit at all from the blank spaces that are being peddled around. Kaya namin sinasabi na fake news yan dahil binibintang kay Presidente yung pag-fill up. Even if that is not what they said, that is the impression they want to give to the public, which is very wrong, very malicious. Kaya I came out with a very strong statement dyan, and the President was very blunt also in saying that whatever the former President was saying about this is a lie. Gusto kong malaman ng taong bayan na wala talaga kaming kinalaman dyan. Tanungin ninyo mga congressmen, mga senators. And that is all that